Good luck, guys. Bowman's best baseball tonight. Bowman's best, guys. Good luck. Got a refractor Quinta Maeda for the Dodgers. Base. Got a Francisco Lindor, the Cleveland Indians. Base. Got a cracked ice. First impressions, you've got Alex Kirilloff, Minnesota Twins. Alex Kirilloff for the Minnesota Twins. Atomic, and that one is numbered to 25. Kirilloff for the Twins to 25. Base. Got a duel. You got Mike Stanton, Justin Moore. Base. Got a Quinta Maeda, the Dodgers. Base. Got a rookie auto, Milwaukee's Corey Ray. Corey Ray for the Brewers. Base. Got a John Smoltz, the Atlanta Braves. Got a Posey, Buster Posey for the Giants. Got a rookie auto of Juan Moncada, Boston Red Sox. Juan Moncada for the Red Sox. Base. Got a atomic of Anderson Espinosa for the Padres. Numbered. Got a Rockies Trevor Story. Base. Nice pack, box one. White Sox, you got Tim Anderson. Tim Anderson for the White Sox. Finish now, box one. Base. Number two. Box number two. Box number two. Got a Boston Red Sox, Jose Canseco. Got a Tyler O'Neill, Seattle Mariners. Got number 2 at 99, a duplicate auto. This one, Corey Ray. Your second Corey Ray. This one to 99, Corey Ray. Base. Got atomic Moncada for the Red Sox. Got a Nomar Mazara for the Rangers. Got a St. Louis Cardinals, Almedes Diaz. Cardinals, Almedes Diaz. Four base. Got a Lucas Giolito for the Nets. Yeah, where are we at? There we go. We got Kershaw for the Dodgers. Got a rookie auto of the Houston Astros, Yulesky Jarrell. Astros, Yulesky Jarrell. Base. Duel, you got Astros, Red Sox, Altuve, Moncada. Since it's a base, so probably go to the Astros. Since you've got no Moncada, Auto, Boston, Steve Ortiz. Last pack, box 2. The Brewers, Josh Hader. Josh Hader, Milwaukee Brewers. Four base. Slide that back. Number 3. Box number 3. Got a Ichiro for the Marlins. Ichiro for the Marlins. Base. Got a Jose Altuve for the Astros. Four base. Got another duplicate for the Brewers, Josh Hader. Another duplicate, Josh Hader. Josh Hader. So this is how we always go this fast, because the majority of all of it's base. Four base. We always go pretty darn quick on stuff that doesn't have much stuff to it. Almedes Diaz, Atomic, Cardinals. Base. Got a Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Four base. Got a Seattle Mariner, Drew Jackson. Drew Jackson, Seattle Mariners. Base. Got a Rafael Devers, Boston Red Sox. Base. Got a Orlando Arcia, Atomic for the Brewers. Four base. Got a Milwaukee Brewer, Orlando Arcia. Orlando Arcia for the Brewers. Four base. Dual Yankees, Phillies, Mickey Monic, Jacoby Ellsbury. White Sox, Tim Anderson. Base. Last pack, box 3. Got a Kansas City Royal, Garrett Davila. Garrett Davila. Base. Box number 4, then we'll call it a night. And then tomorrow night, we have got Leaf Limited, or not Leaf Limited, Leaf Draft Baseball tomorrow night. Another player break of Leaf Metal Draft Baseball. And then we'll do some more Limited Football tomorrow night. So Limited Football and Leaf Metal Draft Baseball tomorrow night. Finish out box 1. Or being box number 4. Got a Brave, Dansby Swanson. Base. Got a Corey Seager, Dodgers. Base. Rookie auto for the Mets, Justin Dunn. Mets, Justin Dunn. Base. Dual Cubbies Mets, John Lester, Steve Mets. Base. Dual, you've got Dodgers, Kershaw, and Urias. Got a rookie auto for the Dodgers, Gavin Lux. Gavin Lux for the Dodgers. Base. Got a Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Base. Yeah, Giants, White Sox, Zach Collins, a bust posy. Got an Atlanta Brave, Aaron Blair. Rookie auto for the Braves, Aaron Blair. More base. Atomic, Mike Stanton for the Marlins. Base. Dodgers, Julio, you're right. Base. Last pack, Bowman's Best. Got a Philly rookie, Mickey Monic. Phillies, Mickey Monic. So we'll get this up on YouTube. We'll get it over to the post office first thing in the morning. And then, like I said, tomorrow night, Leaf, Metal Draft Baseball, and some Limited Football. So we'll get stuff on YouTube. And we'll see you guys tomorrow night.